Hi, I'm Muhammad Idris from Pakistan. Today, I would like to talk about discipline and correcting behavior in an online classroom. First of all, I want to discuss about class discipline. Class discipline refers to the rule and strategies applied in classroom to manage student behavior and practices used to encourage self-discipline. Discipline addresses school-wide, classroom, and individual needs through the broad prevention, targeted intervention, and development of self-discipline. Now, question is that why discipline is important in online classroom. As you know that e-learning offers more freedom for learners, so it also requires planning for their own self-development and high self-discipline. Because in online classroom there is a lot of freedom, students are free, so maybe they distracted from their original goals. So it is necessary to maintain discipline in the classroom. It means that self-discipline becomes highly important to ensure learners' accomplishments and allow them achieving the learning goals. So that's why it is important to maintain a discipline in the online classroom. Otherwise, student will be distracted. Now, question is that how do you handle or correcting disruptive behavior in online classroom? When the students don't have a routine, things can get out of whack. Mean the students they are boring, they switch off camera, maybe they are talking, they are doing other activities. So there is need to make a proper routine. When we make a proper routine, we make a proper schedule and we give them some expectation, then I hope so sooner or later the student will try to meet your expectation. So it is important to develop a proper routine, proper schedule, so that the student know their task and how to get these things. So by this way we can correct the behavior of disruptive students in an online classroom. Now question is that how do you maintain discipline in online classroom? Discipline can maintain in online classroom by the following ways. Number one, make a schedule. A schedule ensures discipline and uh, productivity. So we must make the schedule. Number two, stay organized. We organize our activity in a classroom. What we have to do first, then second, then like this way we organize activities. Number three, choose a suitable study space. Number four, avoid distractions. Number five, participate in discussion. Number six, stop procrastinating. Number six, give test with the integrity. Number seven, keep class control or host the online class by yourself. There is a more important point. You don't give the hostship of the online classroom to your students. You have to keep eye on your students. You have to control them and you have to check and order them what they are doing. You have to see them by camera. Next thing is don't give permission to the students for switch off the student's camera and mic. Mean when the students switch off camera, it means that they are boring from you, they are not listening you, or their mic is off. So you must enforce them. The students switch on their camera and their mic should be on so that they can talk with you, they can interact with you, or you can interact with them. They can interact with each other, so they can participate in the class properly. And next thing is that have a dress code. Students will come in a proper dress. Address discipline issues first. I mean, if there are some complaint is there, if there are some discipline issues are there, so you have to solve them on urgent basis. Teach lesson that privileges text. And most important thing, you must add visual cues to your lessons, so that your students will be interesting in the class. They will take interest in the class and they will be engaged and busy, because videos visual effect as a more uh, effects on the student's mind. And last thing, that flip the classroom. Flip the classroom mean you create different breakout room sessions and you make the different group. So you need to change them, realign them. Don't make a breakout room session same students. Thanks for watching.